Hi everybody, it's Miranda here doing life, and today in my life, I have a Trendsend. Do you want to know what's in it? Stick around.
There must be another way, there must be conscience, different things in different ways. There must be love, there must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
Alright, so just a little bit of business about Trendsend. It is normally a $20 styling fee. I believe that if you click on my link, you get your first one for $1. I think I got hair on my lip. And you might actually even get some off your box as well. I have slit the tape, but I have not peeked, and I took my address off the top. Your thing comes on the top there. Trendsend is also from the store Evereve. It's a box out of that store. You can, if you have a Trendsend or an Evereve store near you, then you can pick to have your stuff styled out of that box. I did not do that this month. We do have one in Omaha. I think actually we have two. We might have two of them in Omaha, but I didn't do that because everybody is so limited that I just went ahead and wherever they styled it out of was fine. I don't think. I might have picked Omaha. I've been trying to get this box for a while, and it's taken a while to get it. But they also put your stuff in outfits, which really appeals to me. I think that is fun. When you open up the box, this is what mine is looking like. And I have some paperwork here, and then I have this little magazine from Evereve, and it just looks like it got some trends in there to look at. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3 bundles, and then I have a return mailer. It doesn't cost me anything to send the items back. And this says, we've got your back and we've got yours. Give 20%, get 20%. Share Trendsend with your friends for 20% off both of your orders. Sign and click. So that's what this says. And then this is my little thing that tells what's in here. I think it was styled by Alicia. Oh, in the Omaha store. Perfect. And I think that I can return the items to the Omaha Evereve store as well, which is cool. Okay, so I'm gonna set my box over there. This is my first bundle. It's got some nice spring summer colors in there, and it says with heart. #Evereve. I'm actually going to Omaha today. My husband was here for the weekend for our grandson's birthday, who just turned a year old, and he's got to go back tomorrow. So we will be staying in Omaha tonight. We try to do that if we're going to have an early flight somewhere. All right, I have a tie-dye, yellow and gray, it looks like, or green tie-dye top. It is by Michael Stars, a size large. There's the tank. So there's the first outfit. Ooh, I love this neon pink shirt. This is really cute. It's by Bobby, Los Angeles. It is a size medium. And it's just a pocket tee. It's got the little roll there. And then I have a pair of cut from the cloth Gidget Frey shorts. She sent them to me in a size 10. I don't know if these are gonna fit. I'm pretty much a solid 12 right now. But they are cut off and they're super cute. And they just got that nice tie-dye springy vibe going on. So I like that outfit. Let's see, I didn't tell you what the prices said. this, woo, this is $78. This one is $48. And then the cut from the cloth Gidget shorts are $69. So there's that bundle. Then I have another bundle. This one says play more, #Evereve. Oh, I'm actually glad I got this shirt. I saw another YouTuber open it and I thought it was super cute on her. It says kindness is free. It is a size large. It's by Suburban Riot and it's $38. So great price. And to go with it, I love how they put them in outfits, is a pair of Sanctuary roll tab camo pants, shorts. And she sent these in a size 31. I think that's probably maybe why she sent me a 10, was because I put size 31. All right, and then last item. This one says, but first, gratitude. And it looks like it might be a sundress. Oh no, it is a romper. I love rompers. I think they're so cute. This is by Peyton Jensen. It's a size large. And it's got some stretch there. There is the pattern, the shorts, and $78 is the price of the romper. All right, I'm gonna read this now. It says, Miranda, hi Miranda, welcome to Trendsend. In this box, I focused on a mix and match pieces that gives you versatility with your existing wardrobe. You'll find all the new trends in this box: tie-dye, neon, camo, and graphics. Make sure you leave feedback on what you love and we can focus on what we can focus on next time. Enjoy. And I also believe that right now they're doing an extra 10% off of the items that you buy. Yeah. And I don't know what the total is. It says you have 5 days to return any unwanted items. You can put them in the shipping envelope. All right, there you go. I will be back for a try on probably tomorrow. The first item that I put on is the Kindness is Free t-shirt and the Sanctuary shorts. I love this t-shirt. I love any graphic tee. I think they're just nice pieces to have in your wardrobe. I'll come a little bit closer. It is a bit, I got cat hair on me, but it's a bit see-through. So if you're worried about your bra showing, which I'm really not, then you might want to put something under it. This is the back of it. And it is nice sleeve length. Then I'll show you the Sanctuary shorts. The shirt was, I think, $38. I'll recap that at the end of the video. These are by Sanctuary. They are camo. And they have, if you can see here, they have a pull tab. I had these on, which would make them go up just a little bit further with the tab. And they were a little bit short. I could see the inner thigh, which I didn't like, and they were riding up a bit. So I just have one cuff here. They also have this little buckle here. I'm not really sure what the buckle is for because you can tighten it, but it doesn't really do anything. Let's see if I can get it tight. And it doesn't stay. Like, there's nothing to hook it to make it stay. But these are $78. They have pockets in the front, and I don't even know if they're working pockets in the back. Yep, no, yes. Working pockets in the back as well. I ordered these, or they were sent to me in a size 31. And I think they're really cute, and I think they look really nice with this graphic tee. The next couple items I have coming up are 2 t-shirts and a romper. that I have to try on is this tie-dye tank. It is $78, which is quite pricey for just a regular tie-dye tank. So I don't think I'm gonna keep this, but it does look cute with my ripped buckle shorts. They sent me a pair cut from the cloth, I believe it was, but they did not fit. So here is the back of the top, and I'll move on to the next shirt. This next top by Bobby, something like that, is a nice neon pink color. I love the color. The only thing about it is it's short, like it's more crop top almost length, and I don't like that. I do like the pocket. It's a rolled pocket, as you can see here. I feel like it is a little see-through. And here's the back. So unfortunately for $48, this one is another no. This is the last item that I have to try on. It is a romper, as you can see. There are things that are all wrong with this. Let's start off with the fact that it is $78. I mean, that seems to be like their price in this box is around the $78 dollars range, which is fine. But I don't like all of the elastic. So I'll come closer. It's got elastic here. Now I have not switched my bra to a strapless. I just poked them down in there, so that is some of the issue right here. But I don't like all of this, and I don't like the band that is here across my waist. I think it hits me weird, and it's not like I can take the top of it and kind of put it over the elastic. I will show you the back. This shorts length is nice. The only other thing that I wish I had was pockets. So this is all wrong for me. All right, let's do the recap really quick. I think that the only two items I plan on keeping are the Kindness is Free t-shirt and the Sanctuary camo shorts. Even though they're a little pricey, I do love them, so I'm going to keep them. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.